welcome back to my channel. I just got a new package in the mail and I wanted to share it with you guys. Today I'm going to be trying the viral NYX Longwear Brow Gel that's supposed to be transfer resistant, waterproof, all that good stuff. And I have oily skin. Let's start there. Is it gonna stand up against the oil? Let's find out. Well, first thing I'm gonna do before I even put this product on is I'm gonna make sure that my brows are properly shaped and ready to be put in place. Period. Eyebrow razor, scissors, eyebrow products. Let's go, let's get it. I literally set up everything over here except a mirror, which is the most important part. I'm also stealing one of my pillows from my bed because I'm literally sitting like right in the center dip and it's making my posture look terrible. Got my mirror, I'm ready to work. As you can see, I have absolutely no makeup or any type of product that's going to interfere with this process on my face. She's bare. I love it here. Alright. Jesus. I can't even tell you guys the last time I had someone professionally touch up my eyebrows. It's just... No, I think the last time I had my eyebrows done was legit when I lived in Texas, and it was like a thing for girls to just like get their eyebrows done regularly. Now that I live in New York, and just in case you're wondering, I have no idea what I'm doing. But we're just gonna go with it. Oh my god, wait, am I actually doing a good job at this? Also, we'll never forgive my mom for the fact that like this eyebrow slays over this one. I don't know. Right now, it's about to give distant cousins because again, I don't know what I'm doing. Alright. I think that's the best I can do for right now. We're just gonna let the product do the work. I'm not gonna worry about it. Anyways, the brows are clean, the brows are shaped. Let's get started. Alright guys, you are zoomed into the good brow. We're gonna start with her first. Let me read these instructions. With the doe foot applicator and product, allow product to dry for 60 seconds without touching to set in place. Take the product out. Just gonna clean the brush just a little bit so I don't apply too much. Okay. I like the way that it applies on. It goes on very clean. Okay. And I'm literally just applying this product as I would with any other brow pencil or pomade that I use. Should I apply less as I get closer to the front end? Because I don't want that like boxy 2016 Anastasia Beverly Hills era brow. I'm trying to stay, you know, in the 2023 natural brow era. But I guess I can just like lighten it up. Just lightly put it on there. Oh my god! Moving too fast, girl. Slow it down, slow it down. Alright. Gonna quickly clean up the edges. Bring this. Let's go ahead and do the other brow. I'm gonna use this spoolie to diffuse the product just to make sure it's in the right places. Like I mentioned in the beginning, these are supposed to be distinct cousins, not identical twins, sisters. This is what they look like after I applied the product.
One minute, starting now.
I think I honestly applied a little bit too much. I got heavy-handed with the product because I was a little too excited to have brows.
Won't fucking come off. That is crazy, dude. Usually cleansing balm fucking removes everything. What? Like Venti cleanse?
We're about to see. I'm like looking at some of these reviews and these girls are saying that once it fully dries, it just like won't come off, which, ooh. I don't know, she's looking pretty dry to me. I think I have a little, yeah, I think I might have used too much, so I have a little residue left over, but that's fine. That's fine. All right, let me see. Hold on. Stop. Wait. Girl, excuse. Wait a minute. Wait, like nothing's coming off. My brows are literally stuck in place. Girls, do you hear me? Wait, let's try the other one. Sick. You are sick for this, NYX. Stop. Does your girl finally have brows? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, let's go wash her face. Here it goes. Y'all. I thought at least a little bit of it would come off. What the fuck is in this? Hold on. Hold on. Again. Gross. Nar. Guys. I've never been shook by a product, but this top tier shook. Top tier shaking. I guess I'm gonna come back and see if the product holds up to the test. When I come back in like 6 hours right before I go to bed, I'm gonna try this again. Hey friends, so I'm back. It's been about 6 hours. I started doing my eyebrows around like 3 something, and now it's 9 p.m. and I'm getting ready to go to bed. But just wanted to do a little check-in before I hit the sheets. All right, so the brows are very much still browing. I think, I don't know, I feel like I love the products. I made them a little bit too dark, but I'm not mad at it. I feel like by tomorrow or the next day, it's gonna lighten up just a little bit and it's gonna look perfect. But yeah, for now, I'm still shook. I'm still in love, so it's just so crazy to me because I don't even know if it's showing how hard I'm rubbing my brow and it's still not even coming off. Like, I'm literally trying, and I just pulled a piece of my hair out. But I'm literally trying to rub this product off and it's just not coming off. And I love this for me. So I do like a 24-hour, maybe like a 2-day, 48-hour wear test and then report back to you guys. I want to put it through like the test of like the oily skin, the New York environmental pollution, work day, all of it. Why not? Okay friends, so I just got home and this is the day 2. This is the second day of me wearing this product. And I woke up this morning and I low-key had to like fill in some of the area here. I don't know if you can tell. Let me try to zoom in. Ooh, okay, so I don't know if you can tell, but I had to like fix this here because some of this came off. We're still looking pretty okay from afar. But yeah, I'm gonna go wash my face and do a quick update. So round 2, same face wash to CeraVe. JK, we're gonna double cleanse. Alright, so I got my cotton rounds and my micellar water. Take off all this lovely makeup. Okay. So I think the brow product that just came off was like the brow pencil that I used to fill in my brows from this morning. That definitely was not from this morning. I didn't put that one. I didn't put that much on that one. Okay. This way and then back. Ooh. Yeah, so wow, okay. So this brow stayed for the most part, whereas this one mostly came off. But I'm still not mad at it because it low-key lasted like all day yesterday. Well, for the most part yesterday, and then all throughout work today. So again, the product from this brow is completely gone. And that's okay, I'm not mad. There's just a tad bit of product left in this brow. I don't know if you can tell, but just a little. So I feel like I would still rate this product definitely like a 10 out of 10, just because I did have brows for a way longer period of time than I would with, you know, a regular brow pencil that just comes off every day. This lasted like nearly 2 days, and I'm not mad at that. Would I use this product again? Absolutely. I'm probably gonna put it on in the morning before I go to work. A little less product for the next time, but yeah, me and my new brow bestie. Thanks for watching.